What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. I'm here in the Tinker Closet today with a quick video just to show off some gear for Halloween week. First and foremost, I got this new patch hat from 511 Tactical with my Dracula patch from Nite Gallery on Etsy. I thought it was pretty cool. They have a little monster patch club is what they're calling it, and each of these patches comes with a little trading card, so I thought that was pretty fresh. Thought I'd give them a shout out. I love this hat. I've been wearing it a lot. In fact, I wore it to Terry Black's barbecue yesterday. Yes, that's right. Terry Black's barbecue here in Lockhart, Texas is one of my favorite barbecue places. Got a couple compliments on this hat. It does also come in red, white, and blue. There's a patch here, and there's a little spot on the top you could actually put these on. I got this on sale for like $6 from 511 Tactical on Father's Day. This hat's pretty cool too. On the back where the strap is, there's some extra Velcro, so you can put Ranger Eyes there, and you could try to put one up there too. I don't know if that would actually work. The front panel works great though, and you can see Dracula looking pretty good. So let's just jump right into it, shall we? We got some Halloween tricks or treats from Olight, from Kizer, and a box of free goodies from Nite Ize that we're gonna jump into. So let's just go ahead and open up these flashlights, shall we? We got the mini penguin right here. I don't know if you guys have a special way that you open up Olight stuff, but I like to jimmy it down in there and just pop that off like that. Oh yeah. All right. This is this new little i3E EOS in the purple with green bats. And oh, what a fun little treat this is. Oh man, I love Olight. I love all their stuff. I have a few of these little flashlights, but this one is really, really cool. I'm going to put together a little purple kit with this one. That's great. Good looking flashlight. Set this guy right there. And then we got this other one. And just pop that off. Olight. Let me pull this out. All right, man. That is fantastic. Ugh. That is really cool. I really like this one. Of course, the first thing I do when I unbox a new flashlight from Olight is I swap out for some ultimate lithium batteries. They just have a tendency to last longer and not melt down as quick. All right, couple new flashlights from Olight. Moving right along to this bad boy. In fact, let's just move this out of the way for a second. All right, moving along to this guy. This is the new Kizer Trick or Treat Edition Mini Grouper. You guys have probably all seen this. I was fortunate enough to get one. If they're sold out on Kizer, I actually got this guy from Amazon after it said it was sold out on Kizer. Oh, that's fun. I got some little stickers and so forth from Kizer. That's very nice. I got you some extra hardware. Always comes in handy. And look at fun little ribbons from Kizer. Thank you so much, Kizer. That's very sweet of you. All right, let's see what we're working with in here. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oof. Oh, mamacita. Oh man. Let's get this shit out of the way for a second. All right. Look at this. I love, love, love the handles. Obviously, I love this knife. That's why I bought it. But let's get a little first flip. Oh! Oh, my Lord. Oh, man, that is just... Oh, Jesus H. That is a really fun knife to flip out. Hold on. Let's give it a little... Ooh! I'm not going to cut up any paper or anything. You can just take my word for it. That is sharp as nuts. Wow. Oh, that is a really nice little flippy flip. Oh, man. Kind of like the way this one feels in the hand. I'm probably not going to use this guy as much outside of the Halloween season, but of course, I've been wanting to get a little jack-o'-lantern knife for a while, so I'm glad I got this guy. Okay, let's see what we're cooking with here. This is from a company that you all know and love called Nite Ize. They reached out to me on Instagram and asked if they could send me a box full of stuff. So I said, heck yeah, Nite Ize, let's do it. And here it is. So I just want to say thank you very much, Nite Ize. You are the very first company that ever reached out and offered to send me some free stuff. And Oh my God. You know what I feel like? I feel like I just got finished with a trip to the dentist and they let me, I'm like a little kid going in the treasure chest to pick out stuff. Holy shit. You guys know how much I love Nite Ize. Look, I got me a little selection of S-Beaners. I got, ooh, the G series. I'm gonna have to try this guy out. The doohickey. Been wanting to see about this one. I like this little guy. I'm gonna put that on a keychain and see what's up with that. All right. Got another G series. Ooh, the big S-Beaners. These guys are so badass. If you guys don't know about Nite Ize S-Beaners, man, I don't even know what to tell you. Microlinks. Oh, these are so sweet. Ooh, look at this. The medallion key carabiner. Oh, I see. It's like a little S for suds. Ooh. The organizer gear line mini. Oh, it's got like a G series and a bunch of S links on it. This is kind of fresh. All right, we'll see if we can find a use for that. We got the Radiant 100, which just since I happen to have it right here, about the same size as an Olight i3 EEOS, a little bit bigger. It's got a little S-Beaner included in there. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay. What do we got here? Ooh, the Runoff waterproof wallet. Dude, this is kind of cool. Ooh, I can definitely see this when I'm floating the river in San Marcos, putting some gear in there. All right. Okay, what else do we got? All right. The doohickey 2-inch locking blade. Ooh. Nite Ize getting into the tiny knife game. You know I do love a tiny knife. Not going to lie about it. Damn, what is this? The Radiant rechargeable pen light. 235 lumens. Let's see how this compares to an i3T. A little bit longer. And then definitely, I think, some more lumens than the i3. Oh, this is an i3T2, so that might have 500. I don't know. Wow, all right. That's cool as hell. What do we got here? Ooh, some more G series. And some stickers for your boy. You know Suds love some stickers. And last but not least, here, there's some more stickers in the bottom of here. You know, I might do a giveaway soon. I'm working on a giveaway. The Hitch. Secure your phone with, you know what? I don't know if I need this for my phone, but I might actually use this with the pouch plate system. There's been a few of you guys that said you were worried that the pouch might fly off. I'm going to see if I can integrate this into a little security measure with the pouch plate to see what that's all about. But how about that? Some Halloween treats. We got some flashlights from Olight. We got a Kizer mini grouper looking really, really good. And then we got a whole bunch of treats from Nite Ize. All right, that's it. I just wanted to show off some of the new Halloween gear. You follow me on Instagram, you're going to see pictures of these 3 things this week. And of course, you're going to see all of this in a future video. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Think outside the box. Be creative with your gear. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.